Whoa! Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make Nana's Fideo. What is Fideo, you might ask? Fideo is a thin noodle dish that is browned in a pan with some oil, simmered with tomato paste and water and some spices. And what you end up with is so delicious. You'll see. Now stick around and let's get cooking. So ingredients, we've got extra virgin olive oil, or if you want to use a neutral oil like vegetable oil, that's fine. We've got 6 ounces of tomato paste. Again, any tomato paste will be fine. I happen to use this one. It's pretty good. And then 12 ounces of your favorite angel hair pasta or Fideo. My Nana always used the bird's nest variety, and I love that, so that's what I'll be using today. Let's set the burner to medium-high. We're going to start with a 12-inch pan and add some olive oil. About 3 tablespoons or so. To that, add 12 ounces of Fideo or angel hair pasta. I'm using angel hair nests as that's what my Nana used. Now let's get that pasta all browned up on both sides. Start with the first side. And then let's do the flip. Add some water. Whoa! Maybe pull it off the burner first, unlike I did. You want to add enough water to cover the pasta. Add 6 ounces tomato paste and mix it in with the water. Add some salt to taste. I'm adding about 2 teaspoons. And now a generous amount of black pepper, about 2 tablespoons or so. You should add enough so that the pepper is spicy. Taste as you go. Make sure it's to your taste. Mix that all in and bring it to a simmer. Might need to reduce the temperature down. Stir occasionally. The sauce will reduce, so don't worry if it looks soupy. This should take around 10 minutes or so to finish cooking. Okay, let's grab some tongs, some plates, and get eating. Alright, to plate this, what I like to do is grab my tongs, put it in a plate or a bowl, and you just kind of twist it. Make a nice little pile. Doesn't that look amazing? I hope you enjoyed this recipe and enjoyed watching this video. Please let me know in the comments.